So the tree at Canadian Tire Welland was actually part of the brainchild of the owner. They wanted to make sure that the seasonal area was inviting as all guests came in. The design was based on one Sean actually sketched out. We actually had a structural column going from floor to ceiling already that we had to work around. And this gave us that perfect ability to try and disguise this. And what we did was we actually offset our armature so that it didn't look perfectly straight up and down, and we had like almost a leaning tree effect. Today we're going to teach how to properly mix a bucket of finish coat. So there's a tiny little bit of polypropylene fiber or CF fiber, either one. And then what we're going to use is a sharp trowel to open the bag. After that, you have your drill ready. You're going to be able to mix the perfect ratio. We have 1/5 of the bucket filled with water. We pick up the bag, we squeeze it in between our knees, and then it's a slow filter through. So when we're mixing fiber coat, it's really important that we have the right consistency. Also, if you add too much water, you actually lower the strength of the concrete itself. Consistency is king. So when we add our fiber to the mix, we're actually able to create a custom mix for ourselves that we know is going to be high strength, high impact, with a lot of durability for the years to come. You want to scrape the sides because those will become problem areas at the end. Swoop as a test. Sideways, see that? We're able to build up about 1.5 inches. That's good because we're doing nothing but vertical surfaces here. Always put your trowel washed off. And there you have it. That's the consistency we're looking for. Now you're gonna see me apply it. So we're just giving a quick dab along the edge. Trying to be consistent with our thickness. Final step for me is to put in, choose the correct stamp, work your hand across it, smooth it out, and then peel back. Branches are delivered. Let's go check them out. Once the branches came, we added some additional lath to make sure that the base of the branches was a little bit more natural. Okay, we are locked and loaded.
I'm here at Canadian Tire Welland. Very excited. It's project day. This one's gonna hit home for my brother and I because our late uncle was a Canadian Tire dealer. So it's nice to have some association with the group again. And we're gonna build him something really cool.
The challenge really was that there were still visitors working around. We had to make sure that everything was perfectly protected, cleaned, and set up safely so that there was no welding, no spraying, or anything along those lines that could potentially hurt a nearby customer that was walking through Canadian Tire. This was a collaborative effort between myself, my brother Sean. We had Ethan painting and doing some of the finish. We had Marcus helping with the branches. And we just had a great time building this project, and I look forward to doing more. We've noticed that over the seasons that they've decorated for Halloween and for Christmas as a way to draw visitors into the seasonal area and make use of that natural element. So if you missed it, we've actually built something else for Canadian Tire, and that is going to be linked here at the end of an epic little indoor koi pond and waterfall that we had to build, utilizing both real rock and artificial panels. We also have linked this other artificial tree that we built for lemurs that I think you'll love. Have a great time, and I hope you like and subscribe for the next video.